If you've ever wondered how to group in Lucidchart, this tutorial is going to make it quick and easy. Grouping shapes is one of the most useful things you can do when you're building flowcharts, diagrams, org charts, or any kind of visual layout in Lucidchart. It helps you keep related items together, move them as one unit, and stay organized while editing your workspace. So if you want to save time and make your diagrams easier to manage, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is select the elements you want to group. You can do this in a couple of different ways depending on what feels easier for you. One option is to click and drag a selection box around all the shapes, text, or objects you want to combine. That's usually the fastest method when your items are close together. Another option is to click on the first object, then hold down the Shift key and click on the other objects one by one. This is especially useful if the shapes are spread out or if you want to be very precise about what gets selected. Once your elements are selected, you'll notice they're all highlighted together. That means Lucidchart is ready for the next step. Now you need to open the menu that gives you the grouping options. You can do this in two ways. First, you can right-click directly on the selected shapes, which will open a context menu. Or, if you prefer using the top toolbar, you can go to the Arrange menu in the Properties bar at the top of the workspace. Both paths lead to the same result, so use whichever one feels more natural. From there, look for the Group option. If you right-clicked, you should see Group in the menu. If you open the Arrange dropdown, you'll also find Group there. Click it, and Lucidchart will combine the selected items into a single grouped object. Once grouped, you can move everything together without worrying about accidentally shifting individual pieces out of place. This is super helpful when you're organizing sections of a diagram or when you want to keep a process box and its label aligned. There's also a keyboard shortcut you can use if you want to work faster. On Windows, press Ctrl+G. On Mac, press Command+G. This is the quickest way to group items once you get used to it. So if you're building diagrams often, learning that shortcut can save you a lot of clicks over time. After grouping, you can test it by clicking and dragging the group around the canvas. You should see that all the selected objects move together as one. That's how you know it worked correctly. If you ever need to edit one item inside the group later, you can usually double-click or ungroup the elements depending on what you want to change. But for now, the main goal is just getting everything grouped so your workspace stays neat and manageable. To recap, the process is simple. Select the shapes, open the right-click or Arrange menu and choose Group, or use Ctrl+G on Windows and Command+G on Mac for a faster workflow. Once you know this, you can keep your Lucidchart diagrams clean, organized, and much easier to edit. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Lucidchart tutorials and other software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.